Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify firewall rules in Windows Defender Firewall. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Windows device and ensure that you are logged in with an account that has administrative privileges. Press the Windows key on your keyboard or click the Start menu. In the search bar, type Windows Defender Firewall and hit Enter. Once the Windows Defender Firewall window opens, look for the option that says Advanced Settings on the left sidebar. Click on Advanced Settings to open the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security window. In this window, you will see two sections, Inbound Rules and Outbound Rules on the left. To check the inbound rules, click on Inbound Rules. Here you will see a list of all the inbound rules currently configured on your system. You can sort these rules by name, profile, or status by clicking on the column headers. To examine a specific rule, find it in the list and double-click on it. A new window will open, showing the properties of the selected rule. In this properties window, you can review the rule's name, description, and its enabled status. You will also see the program or port the rule applies to, along with the action allowed. After reviewing the details, you can click OK to close the properties window. Next, to verify the outbound rules, click on Outbound Rules in the left sidebar. Similar to inbound rules, you will find a list of all outbound rules configured on your system. Again, you can sort the rules as needed. Double-click on any outbound rule to see its properties. Review the details just like you did with the inbound rules, checking the name, description, and action of the rule. To search for a specific rule, you can use the search bar located in the right pane. If you wish to make any changes, right-click on the rule and choose the appropriate option. After checking the rules, you can close the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security window. Remember to document any critical rules that may affect your system's security or connectivity. To ensure your firewall settings are effective, regularly review these rules as part of your security maintenance routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.